Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicola Richardson. I'm the owner of Pink Vintage Jewellery, which is a successful online jewellery brand. A few weeks ago I made a video about PayPal and the problems I were having with it, and I thought that would be part one, and I now have a resolution, so this video is going to be part two. So you may want to check out the previous video just for a little bit more context. So just to give you a quick recap, I was on holiday, someone opened a case against me for non-delivery because of an incomplete address. I came back from holiday, I submitted all the documentation to PayPal. I had a very short time frame to do this. They'd had a leisurely time to respond. This happened at the beginning of August. We are now in the beginning of September, and I've finally heard back from PayPal just yesterday. So I finally got an email from PayPal saying they were supporting the buyer and they've closed the case, and they're actually charging me £12 for the privilege of all this shenanigans. So as you can imagine, I'm not right chuffed about this really, considering it didn't have anything to do with me whatsoever. But to be charged £12, I think it's a bit shocking really, and it just makes me feel like I've done the right thing disconnecting PayPal from my website. I was anxious about it. Will it make a difference? But do you know what? It's been 3 or 4 weeks now, and it hasn't. I'm still getting sales. People are buying with a debit card. So if you're a small business and you're thinking about it, I would say go for it. Doesn't seem to have had an impact on my business as yet. Whether it will in the future, who knows? I'll add more videos to this little blog. On a more positive note, I feel happy that I've got rid of PayPal and that I've taken some control back over my business, and this can't happen to me again now. And I've had a lovely summer. I had a lovely holiday. It's been hard to get back into the swing of things, to be honest, but I'm finally there. I feel like I'm up to full speed. I've not done any nursing for quite a while, I think since July, so I need to sort that out. I need to get some shifts in so I meet my revalidation requirements. I've been doing lots of work on my website, lots of SEO type stuff going on behind the scenes. I've also pleased to announce that I'm starting a jewellery diploma next week, which I'm really frightened about because I just don't know how I'm going to have the time to fit it all in, along with making and keeping my Etsy shop going. But I'll have to make time, and I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. But I am really excited to start this diploma and advance my skills even more. So I'm really looking forward to that. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.